like best about Shadle Smiles is I feel welcomed, I feel comfortable, I'm not rushed or afraid in any way.
I love the friendly staff, and when I come in, there's always coffee for me, and they have like a scone while I'm waiting. It feels very comfortable at home, and for me, when I go to a dentist, I want to feel relaxed and calm, and I just always feel like right at home.
A new patient can expect walking through the door just being greeted, seen as a person, not just a patient or a number in the books. We would like to really try to get to know our patient so we can form a good relationship with you.
They have a really good atmosphere, a lot of space, really comfortable, which I find important. Dr. Harding's really good and really patient with his patients, including myself. So that was the most important thing to me.
I've always been drawn to healthcare. I have a few family members that are in healthcare, and the piece of healthcare that I like that dentistry really fills is that you have a really unique relationship with your patients. You see them twice a year, you develop a rapport with them, you meet their families, and it's sort of a long-term thing, which I think is really cool. The other piece that I like is that you do a lot of actual treatment. You're not just diagnosing, so you're getting in, you're doing procedures, and you're solving the problems after you find them. So those are really the things that made it appealing to me.
Dr. Harding, very friendly, always explains things well, very concerned about whether or not I understand the treatment plan and my options for care. He's always has a smile on his face, always very, very welcoming, so I feel comfortable. My son looks forward to coming to Shadle Smiles because they always welcome him. They treat him like a little adult and make sure that he's comfortable with a blanket and pillow. They explain everything to him in a way that makes him not afraid of his treatment plan to come.
What I really appreciate about Dr. Harding is he has a very calming demeanor. And when I come in for different types of treatments that might make me a little nervous, I feel like he explains everything to me in detail so that I will feel comfortable about what's going to happen. I appreciate his knowledge.
So I'm from Cheney, just outside of town here, so I grew up in the Spokane area. I feel a good bond with the Spokane community because of that. So being able to help out the community, and feel a part of the community has really been a good thing about working here.
After looking for a new dentist recently, my current dentist is retiring. I shopped around a little bit and knew of Shadle Smiles and their family, and so I thought I'd give it a shot. So I met the team and I met Dr. Harding, and they're really welcoming. Saw the space, and when I came in, the staff was super friendly, made you feel at home, made you feel like part of their family. So that's what I was kind of looking for, and they've done nothing but great things for me ever since first walking into the door.
Core values are really big at our office. Some of our major ones are honesty and integrity. I think when you're working with any type of medical provider, you want a doctor that's going to be upfront and honest with you, explain things thoroughly, and be coming from a good place with all your treatment that's being done.
I think we have a really friendly, welcoming staff. We want patients to feel like they're part of our extended family, feel confident in what they're being told is what's in their best interest. And I really make an effort to try to make sure patients understand the treatment that we're proposing, that really break it down into layman's terms and make sure that it's clear and they're just as much part of the treatment planning process as I am. There's a lot of different things that we offer to meet the needs of our patients. We do restorative and your generic checkups and cleanings, just maintaining oral health, but we also offer root canals, cosmetic dentistry, we do oral surgery. I know a lot of people are interested in implants and restoring spaces in their mouth, and we do a lot of implant restorations and things of that nature as well.
So I address our financial concerns with our patients. We do offer the care credit, which is very awesome. We do have the new patient specials, is the whitening for life, and we also do a $99 cleaning, exam, and the x-rays for our new patients. We also do accept quite a few different insurances that we work with.
I think that there's two things that I really enjoy. One, in dentistry, you get to really help people with their personal confidence. You know, you help them achieve a better smile, feel good about themselves. And then the other thing is taking them out of pain. So we get a lot of patients coming in, they, you know, have a toothache, they got something going on, and we're able to get in there and solve it. And, you know, getting that feedback from patients of, you know, addressing their concerns, taking care of them. I think that's the biggest thing.